we need to make our dressing.
There it
creamy
is.
cucumber dressing. You want to read that recipe for us?
No
Nice.
problem. One of my favorites is creamy cucumber dressing. All you need is 2/3 cup of raw cashews, 2/3 cup of diced cucumbers, 1/2 teaspoon of onion salt, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic salt.
All right, that looks nice and easy.
Oh man, it's simple. As a matter of fact, it's one of my favorites. And watch how quick it is to make, so you don't have to worry about preparation and all that stuff.
I like that.
All you do quickly is go ahead and put your cucumbers in first. You know why?
No.
Because, well, because we're not using any water, or we're not using any oil, so that will be our water. As you know,
That's your
cucumber
liquid.
is high in water. Then we'll go ahead and we'll put in our cashews there. All right, our lemon juice.
Is that fresh lemon juice?
Oh, I just made it a little while ago here.
Good.
And we got to put our honey. If you like your dressings a little sweeter, put a little bit more honey. If you like it a little bit more tangier, put a little bit more lemon juice.
Okay.
And then we have our garlic and our onion, as you see right there.
Good.
All right. You ready?
Ready for the noise. That's
Done
nice
deal.
and easy.
Done deal.
I
That's
like that.
all you need. And here we go. That the cucumber skin gives it the green color.
Yes.
Cucumbers are excellent. I remember I was on a beach one time having a good time, and that sun got the best of me.
Yes.
And I was burnt, and I didn't have my aloe around, and all I did is I went to the nearest restaurant and I asked them for only cucumbers. They thought I was a little crazy and I took the cucumber and I rubbed it all over my face, and man, the next morning it was like nothing ever happened.
Wow, that's amazing. And it was a bad burn.
It was a bad burn.
Ooh.
People was like, how do you get burned? But
Yeah.
I was burnt. And you can take that, put it over your salad, over your revitalizing rainbow salad, and enjoy. Your friends and family, if you want the kids to enjoy their salads as well, just go ahead and make that dressing.
That's right. It looks good too.
Oh, it's fantastic.
All right, let's go to our next recipe.